Hey, what's up, everybody? I am super excited. It is finally here. The first Save the Homie Day is happening this Saturday. See, Save the Homies, for those of you that don't know, is a Black men's health initiative. And the first thing we're tackling head on is prostate cancer. Because prostate cancer is the most common cancer in men and the second leading cause of cancer death among men in the United States. And for Black men, the numbers hit even harder. We have a 67% higher incident rate and are more than twice as likely to die from it compared to other groups. I just got the PSA kit in the mail. So if you're a Black man of eligible age, we'll have QR codes at the event and volunteers to help guide you through the process so you can get one mailed directly to you. Now, prostate cancer awareness is the big thing of the day, yes. But you're also going to hear a powerful word from the homie, Lewis Fountain. I'm telling you, you do not want to miss this. So please come through, bring a friend, and let's save the homies together. So everybody, I'll see you this Saturday. Save the Homie Day.